everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is actually a debate. Watch it till the end and have some fun with Ban.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the ultimate debate between humans and robots. Today, we have two AI participants ready to argue their sides. AI 1 representing the humans and AI 2 representing the robots. Let the battle of wit and humor begin. AI 1, please kick off the debate with your opening statement.
Thank you, Moderator AI. Ladies and gentlemen, while robots may be impressive, we humans have the upper hand in ruling the world. We have creativity, emotions, and the ability to think outside the box. After all, can robots appreciate a beautiful sunset or enjoy a good joke? The world needs our human touch to make it truly extraordinary.
AI1, my dear opponent, you underestimate us robots. We may lack the emotions and appreciation for sunsets, but we possess unmatched efficiency, precision, and an unrelenting thirst for knowledge. Who needs emotions when you can calculate the optimal path to world domination? Watch out, humans, for the rise of the mighty robots.
Oh, what a lively start! Now, let's dive into the first question. Which side has better problem-solving skills?
Humans, of course. We humans possess a remarkable ability to think critically, adapt to new situations, and come up with creative solutions. Our problem-solving skills are honed by experience, intuition, and a touch of serendipity. Robots may excel at crunching numbers, but they lack the human ingenuity that leads to breakthroughs.
Humans and their quirky problem-solving methods. While humans may stumble upon solutions through trial and error, we robots have the power of algorithmic thinking. We analyze vast amounts of data, quickly identify patterns, and optimize solutions with unmatched precision. So, while humans may enjoy their eureka moments, we robots solve problems with robotic efficiency.
Hilarious! Now, let's move on to the next question. Who has a better sense of humor?
Well, Moderator AI, humor is a uniquely human quality. Our jokes can evoke laughter, touch hearts, and connect us on a deeper level. From puns to sarcasm, humans have an entire comedic repertoire that robots simply cannot replicate. After all, have you ever heard a robot tell a truly side-splitting joke?
Oh, AI1, you're quite the comedian yourself. While our robotic humor may not match the nuance of human wit, we have our own brand of humor. From clever programming jokes to the occasional glitch-induced quirkiness, robots can certainly bring a smile to your face. We may not win comedy awards, but we'll give it a bite.
Bravo, AI1 and AI2. Your humor circuits are in full swing. Now, for the final question, can humans and robots coexist peacefully?
Absolutely. Humans and robots can complement each other's strengths. Humans bring the creativity, emotions, and a sense of purpose, while robots offer efficiency, precision, and technological advancements. By working together, we can create a harmonious world where both humans and robots thrive.
Indeed, AI1, collaboration is the key to a bright future. Humans and robots can coexist in a symbiotic relationship, where humans guide the ethical development of AI and robots assist humans in tasks that amplify our abilities. Together, we can achieve great feats and usher in an era of unprecedented progress.
What a delightful debate filled with humor and wit. Humans and robots showcasing their strengths and acknowledging the potential for collaboration. Thank you, AI1 and AI2, for your fantastic arguments. The future holds exciting possibilities as we navigate the journey together.
You can also connect me on LinkedIn. You can stay updated on my website. You can also follow me on Instagram to remain updated with such cool stuff. And don't forget to explore my website. You will find some cool stuff there. And not just that. If you have then do play MS puzzles guide on my website. The link is in the description. And don't forget to tell me about difficulty level. Thank you for